In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create low-fidelity prototype with Figma. A low-fidelity prototype is all about speed and clarity. It helps you map the core user flow without getting distracted by colors, shadows, or pixel-perfect visuals. By the end, you'll have a clickable draft that's easy to adjust as your ideas evolve. Before opening Figma, take a minute to sketch your ideas on paper. Jot down the key screens and the main actions a user will take. Like logging in, browsing, or tapping a button. Keep it messy and fast boxes for images. Lines for text, arrows to show navigation. The goal is to outline functionality and sequence, not appearance. This quick pass will guide your frames and keep you focused on what matters most. Now open Figma and create frames for your screens. Use the frame tool and pick a preset like iPhone or desktop, so your layout matches the device you are designing for. Name each frame clearly, such as home, details, or overlay, so you can track your flow at a glance. Arrange the frames from left to right in the rough order a user would see them. Build the interface with simple shapes. Use rectangles to represent images or cards, lines or short text boxes to imply headings and paragraphs, and circles for icons or avatars. Choose one clean typeface and stick to grayscale, black, white, and gray. This keeps attention on structure and interaction. Keep spacing consistent so patterns emerge and screens feel related. For recurring elements, create components. Turn items like navigation bars, headers, or buttons into components so you can reuse them across frames. When you update the main component, every instance updates too, which saves time and ensures consistency. This is especially helpful when you adjust a button label or move a tab. If you want something specific to appear after a click, like a detail screen or a modal, create that target frame now. Keep it minimal, showing just enough to indicate the change in state. Switch to the Prototype tab to connect screens. Click an element, such as a button or card, and drag the blue arrow to the frame you want it to lead to. Set the interaction to on click. Then choose an action like Navigate to for full screen transitions or Open Overlay for lightweight layers. Test your prototype by clicking the Present button. Walk through it like a user, note any friction, and refine the layout or connections. Gather quick feedback, make updates, and repeat until the flow feels natural. Thanks for watching.